What's up, guys? The POS team over here. We want to show you a demo of what we've been building so far, and honestly, pretty excited for this. So, we're going to start out like any deal analysis usually does, right? We're going to start by adding the file, right? The initial kind of investment one pager that we have on the business. And we're going to put this into the AI and let it analyze it for us. It's going to get the data and then ask us some questions about the business or about why we're interested in this acquisition. So as we can see, the AI has understood the deal, the industry, and different things about the business, and now it's asking me a little bit about the business. So I definitely know I want a majority acquisition around 3 year hold period, and I'm not too interested in this one, and I like it because of its strong margins and the industry itself. Right? So this is going to help the AI better understand the deal and why we're interested in it specifically. Um, so before I go ahead and ask it any questions, so as you can see, the AI has understood the business. We have some preloaded prompts over here that you can use. But first, let's add some of the financials, right, so that the AI can get even more understanding to the business, right, and into how much revenue it's making, and just generally, yeah, understand the business better. So we're just going to add the financials here. So now, as you can see, the financials have been added, and the AI is extracting the information. So let's just give it a quick reload. Perfect. So it's analyzed the financials. It's gotten a sense of the business, the revenue, EBITDA, margins. I can choose to view the financials, right? And get a better sense of this. I can click on these, change these if there are any edits that are required. So this is a really interactive way of interacting with your deals financials and also understanding them much better, right? You can go to the balance sheet, the cash flow, and really understand your business however you need to, right? Along with that, you get an AI financial analysis on the revenue or on the financials that you just submitted. But let's get into analyzing the deals a bit better, right? So let me ask about some of the risks in the industry and that are mentioned in the information that we've given so far. As we can see, there wasn't much information available to it, but it has still come up with risk based on its own context, right, or its own understanding of the industry. So let's say next I want to try to understand the investment thesis, right? So why should we invest in this? Where is the value in this business? So the AI is going to come up with the reasons, right? And you can review these and get a sense of these. And let's say you want a more in-depth analysis, right? And you have something that you need to share with your investment committee or create a memo, right? So now we're going to ask for a 3 page investment memo. Um, and this is going to give us a much more in-depth analysis of the business, and it's really going to be something presentable, right, and something that we can then share with the right people, the decision makers, or the right stakeholders. So if we go into create an investment, this is something that I think is really cool. It takes you into its own doc, right, that you can chat with and you can make edits with, and ChatGPT or Cloud is nothing like this. So we have this multiple page investment thesis, right, that we can then continue to rewrite or make edits on based on what we require.